And I say, welcome to J. Welcome to J. Welcome to J. Where the land is green and you're welcome to stay. Welcome to J. Welcome to J. Welcome to J. Me say things are hard, but I love same way. Ease out, soldier.
Jo, takže nachádzame sa akurát v Negrile, prišli sme pozrieť najväčšiu legendu, originál jediného samotného Lee Scratch Perryho, ktorý za mnou sedí na strome, jak môžete vidieť. Veľmi pojašený starý pán, čiže chceme ho trošku vyspovedať a povedať mu o našom projekte a spýtať sa ho na jeho názor. Ideme na to. First of all, I would really like to thank you for the opportunity, to meet you here at your place, and it's really a great pleasure for us. And it's your birthday, it's going to be soon, like really nice. 20th of March, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we wanted to wish you with all our crew, like Blessed Earth Strong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lee Scratch Perry. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? I'm only 18 years young.
Nice. Can I help you, Dada? That's good.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, man. How you do? Everything good.
Že tento šéfinko má 80 rokov, práve zliezol zo stromu. Yeah, but still they call you the father of reggae, they call you father of dub, they call you father of stepas. So where you take all your inspiration from? It's crazy and amazing, your inspiration like for whole generations, all around the world.
Life is a dream. Life is a dream.
Yeah, you're right.
Some people can't dream because they don't have no future. But if you live two lives like me, you can dream. At night I am a fish, and in the day I'm a human being, trying to be a human being. I would say. In the day, I try to be a human being. In the night, I return to my original world.
And you're a fish?
Yeah, then I'm a fish and I swim.
Nice. Which one you prefer, like being a fish or human being?
The life as human being, it carries a little bit too much stress.
Life of fish is easier.
And when you live in the life of a dream, you don't have much stress. You, Mayaka, and Payaka. Payaka and Mayaka. Satan and devil. I'm not a rebel, I'm not a rebel. I'm not a rebel, I'm not a nevil. I'm not a nevil, I'm not a rebel. I'm not a rebel, I'm not a nevil. Fire! It's my birthday. Fire next door! This is my night. Okay. You have it?
Čaká nás posledná party, na ktorej vystúpim, volá sa to Dubwise Jamaica. Bude tam hrať Sveťo, je to taký malý uprising warm-up. Okrem neho Roriča, aké Yardcore, bude tam Samurai, bude tam Rassi Arnok, bude tam Barsdo, čiže sa na to veľmi teším, ale som nervózny jak pes. Je to tuto kúsok v Nanuku, tam, kde bývame Burlington Avenue, čiže máme to kúsok od domu, ale spotený som už teraz. Tak idem tam.
Yeah, Ghetto Youth Sound representing straight out of Slovakia. I would like to greet one and all. My name is Pokemon. We're here to shoot a Lika documentary about Jamaica and its vibes. So once again, greet one and all. Run it. Rubba-dum, 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 soul. Ragamuffin, ragamuffin, ragamuffin warrior. Rubba-dum, 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 soldier. Ragamuffin, ragamuffin, ragamuffin warrior. Rubba-dum, soldier, ragamuffin warrior. Žijeme v džungli, betónovej dobia. Okovy Babylonu zlomíme raz. Vydržíme spolu a príde náš čas. Bija Rubba-dum, soldier, ragamuffin warrior. Žijeme v džungli, betónovej dobia. Okovy Babylonu zlomíme raz.
Už mám potom konečne, hrozne som bol predtým nervózny, ale teraz je to super pocit, ľudia sa bavili, dal som pár pesničiek. Dostal som aj nejaké ja. Čiže naozaj super, pre mňa obrovská skúsenosť vystúpať na Jamajke. Vystúpať vlastne pred hviezdami, ktoré hrozne uznávam. Dneska tu bola kopa ľudí a hrozný stres, ale nakoniec teraz je to najlepší pocit, obrovské uvoľnenie a som strašne rád, že som to dal, bolo to super. Ľudia sa bavili a mám z toho najlepší vibe. Nebol som falošný, bol som v tempe, všetko vyšlo jak malo, čiže hrozne sa teším. Fakt super skúsenosť, som za to vďačný.
Okovy Babylonu zlomíme raz. Vydržíme spolu a príde náš čas. Bija Rubba-dum, soldier, ragamuffin warrior. Žijeme v džungli, betónovej dobia. Okovy Babylonu zlomíme raz. Vydržíme spolu a príde náš čas. Ide sa ďalej, tak nalej zázvorák. Umotaj si kúsok lesa, zapál ten šmak, rhythm movement. Sound máme tučný, sme reggae rockers, vibe regeneračný.
Hey yo, voice and face of the one named Ella from Watermelon Mood. They are Kingston right now with
Richie Richard
and Soulja. Yeah man, representing for the massive team named Medial Banana in a jam done. Yeah, don't know you have it locked. Keep it up. Sin.
Respect.
Yeah.
Blessed love and greetings, Jira Steya representing in a jam down in a Nanook, Kingston, right about now. Big up Medial Banana, big up all the massive and crew. Jano blazing up the fire, holding up the vibes. Yeah, just like that. Strictly positivity, check it out. Respect.
Big respect, Medial Banana live in Jamaica, the Raj and Kaini representing Samori, big up yourself, Jadil.
Lava.
Boom! This is Dave Jar representing for Medial Banana in a Jam Rock. Peace.
Hi, I'm Zana Romeo. This is my brother Romanov. And we're so happy to be a part of this in a Jam Down project, you know. Bless up.
That are the vibes in a Jam Down, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. Jah works, you know. Rastafari bless. Steam Chalice. So we say we're there down in a Jam Down. We not jam down, we are jam up scene. And we are saying enough love, enough joy goes out to who? Medial Banana. Watch a banana, but you don't know enough love same way. See it? That's the fire.
Yeah man, this is Dewaras and Father G representing for In a Jam Down.
Way up.
You see me? Big up Slovakia, Bratislava, you see me? Right up the Medial Banana band, you see it? We're there at Ola Jai, at the party right now.
People get loose. Hear me now. Wednesday, people get loose. I will put on me dancing shoes. It's a Friend's Day. Tonight we get high. Rub me £1, we need some supply. When